How to fix TradingView notifications not working issue. Hi everyone, welcome back to Finance and Crypto Guide. If your TradingView application is not showing notification on your Android device or your iOS device, here's how you can easily fix the issue. The first thing you want to do is to make sure that your notification setting inside TradingView is enabled. Launch open the TradingView application on your smartphone and go to the menu icon at the bottom right corner. Make sure that you're logged into your account so that you can tap the menu button. Once you're logged into your account, go ahead and tap on the gear icon at the top right corner and click on push notifications. Make sure that the toggle button right next to the options at the bottom are turned on. For example, if you want to be alerted when someone follows you, make sure this button is turned on. Similarly, for every other options out there, there is a button, just make sure to turn them on according to your preference. If you want to change the alert sound, then you can go to the alert sounds option at the top and choose the alert you want for your TradingView app. Now, once you've made sure that the push notification is turned on inside your TradingView app, get back to the home screen of your smartphone or tablet and tap on settings. After you're in the settings menu, scroll down and click on notifications. Inside notifications, scroll down under the app list and find the TradingView application and click on it. Now, you'll see this notification tab where you need to switch on the button right next to allow notification and make sure that this is turned on. Make sure that the notification type you want to receive is turned on from this page as well. Once you've done that, you can get back to your TradingView app. Now, in order to check for your device, make sure that your device has the do not disturb option turned off or the focus mode turned off. Right after you make sure of those, you will be able to fix the notification setting in the TradingView application using your smartphone. So there you have it. That's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.